So in this video we will be solving this numerical in which selling price is given rupees 40, variable cost 24, fixed cost 16,000, and we are required to calculate PV ratio, break even sales, sales to earn a profit of 2,000, profit at sales of rupees 60,000. I think that I have given you this numerical on your Google class. So first thing, we are required to find out the PV ratio. So if you see in the solution section, the formula for PV ratio is sales minus variable cost upon sales into 100. So in this numerical, sales is given to us as 40, variable cost is 24. So 40 minus 24 into 40 into 100 will give you 40% as the PV ratio. Second thing which we are required to calculate is break-even sales. So the important thing which we require to know is that break-even sales is a point where contribution is equals to fixed cost. There is a formula to calculate fixed cost, which is sales into PV ratio upon fixed cost. As we are required to find out the sales at break-even point, so we will be using this formula, the highlighted one. Okay, so in this formula we are required to find out sales. PV ratio we are having 40% and fixed cost is 16,000. So 40% is equals 16,000. So sales is equals to 16,000 into 100 divided by 40 will give you 40,000 sales in rupees. When we are required to find out in units, we will divide this 40,000 by 40, which is the selling price, which will give you 1,000 units. The next thing is that we are required to find out the sales to earn a profit of rupees 2,000, C part. So in C part, we are using this formula, sales into PV ratio is equals to fixed cost plus profit. So sales we are required to find out, PV ratio we are having, fixed cost 16,000, and we are required, and profit is also given 2,000. So we are required to find out the sales. So this 16 plus 2 will give you 18,000. Sales is equals to 18,000 into 100 by 40, which will give you rupees 45,000, and in units 45,000 divided by 40 will give you 1125 units. So this is the third part where we are required to find out the sales to earn a profit of rupees 2,000. Last part is to find out profit at sales of rupees 60,000. Here again we are using the same formula, sales into PV ratio upon fixed cost plus profit. Here we are having the sales, we are having PV ratio, we are having fixed cost but not profit. So putting this value 60,000 into 40% plus 16,000 plus P is profit. So which will be 60 minus 16, 24,000 is equals to 16,000 plus P. So P will be 8,000. Meaning when we are selling 60,000 amount of sales, we are having a profit of rupees 8,000. So in this way we calculate such kinds of, or we solve such kinds of numerical. Meaning we need, if we are using the same thing in practical implication, so when suppose you are producing something and you are required to find out what will be the sales, if you want to earn a profit of 2,000 or say 20,000, then you will use this formula in practical implication. When you need to find out the profit at sales of rupees 60,000, then you will be using this formula. So using these